guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just going to be doing a simple but motivating clean with me. This isn't any specific type of cleaning. I just had so many different tasks that needed to be tackled in my house, so I decided to combine them all to give you guys some cleaning motivation. So as you can see, I am just starting out in the master bedroom, and I'm not doing a whole lot in here, really just straightening things up and putting everything back in its place, collecting all of the clothes because I am going to be doing a ton of laundry in this video for you guys.
You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night?
So this part is totally cracking me up. I forgot that this blanket was making me really mad when I was trying to fold it, and you guys will see me get frustrated and just kind of throw it on the bed. But as I was editing this, I saw that and I couldn't help but laugh at myself. Alright, so moving on to some laundry. I am just going to be folding the crap out of some clothes, and you guys will see multiple clips in this video of me doing some laundry. So get ready for some ultimate laundry motivation.
Like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right.
Moving into the living room, I am just going to be cleaning the floors and the couch up a bit and then vacuuming in here. Nothing crazy, but it was driving me nuts because there was crumbs everywhere. I don't think you guys can really see it on camera, but it was there, trust me, and so I really needed to vacuum in here.
To me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me, it seems like you're dropping.
So this is just a little random clip of me cleaning my sink, and you guys will actually see that I cleaned the whole kitchen in a separate clip, but it was on a separate day, so that is why this is kind of like all over the place, because I filmed different clips different days. And then you're just gonna see me really quickly steam mopping my kitchen floors. I did sweep prior to this. I just never film myself sweeping because I hate sweeping, so I don't like filming it. But I do love me a good steam mopping in the kitchen.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
So moving on, the remainder of this video is all filmed on the very next day, and I am starting out in my half bathroom, and I never film myself cleaning our half bathroom because it is such a pain to try to film in here because the space is so little and there's not a ton of room for a tripod. But basically, you're gonna see me cleaning my toddler's little potty seat. This thing is stinky and nasty and dirty. I think it is a horrible design flaw when it comes to these, but he loves his potty seat. And then you're also gonna see me cleaning the toilet and the sink, and I will be steam mopping in here as well.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, closer than.
And now you guys are just gonna see me cleaning the door to the bathroom. When I was cleaning the bathroom out, I noticed a bunch of little food particles and just nasty handprints on the door. And obviously it's from my 3-year-old when he comes to use the bathroom. So you're gonna see me wiping it down with a magic eraser and just getting all that yucky stuff off of there.
From the start, wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close.
Okay, moving back into the kitchen on a separate day, I am going to be emptying the dishwasher. Probably one of my least favorite chores, to be honest, because I have this chore every single day and it's just always there waiting for me in the morning, giving me a little hello to my day, and I hate it. So that is what I'm gonna be starting with, and I'm gonna put all of these dishes away.
Thinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it.
So now I am just gonna do a couple of little dishes that I had in the sink, and then once I am done with this, you guys are gonna see me deep clean my coffee machine. I tend to let this thing get really nasty and grody before I clean it, and I do run the clean cycle on it every few months like it's supposed to do or whatever. And for whatever reason, whenever I do the clean mode on this, like a week later, the light's back on. So I don't really know if it's because we have hard water and it's kind of picking up the particles from that or whatever, but this thing is always needing to be cleaned. So you're gonna see me deep cleaning it and making it look nice and shiny. All right, and then the last thing that I'm gonna do in the kitchen is just pick up anything that's not in place and put it away. And then I'm gonna be cleaning the counters off as well. And my favorite thing to use right now is my Lysol multi-purpose spray. Once again, it is flu season. This mama don't mess around with the flu. So I am spraying this stuff on everything.
Just watch me breaking, you're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me, I swear, you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn, baby, feel free, I wanna make you sweat on me.
Alright, and then like I said, there is a ton of laundry happening in this video. So you're gonna see me changing the loads from the wash to the dryer. And then I'm also gonna be folding a ton of laundry. So cue the laundry montage, and I hope that you guys like it.
Got a free pass, oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games, though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking, you're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me, I swear, you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn, baby, feel free, I wanna make you sweat on me, I wanna make you sweat on me.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show 'em how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party.
I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
Stop, yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. Cause I'm just an accident waiting.
course, the last thing that I'm gonna do is put away this laundry, and then that is gonna be the end of this clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done around your house. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.